Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by exposing the mounting hardware. Flip up the seat and pry off the two small hinge caps at the rear of the bowl using a flat screwdriver. Once done, sweep away grime with a rag so you can see the bolts and nuts clearly. This prevents slipping and protects finishes. Make sure to keep caps and any loose plastic in a small tray. You will need them for reassembly or inspection. Acting now saves time in the middle steps. You hold the plastic or metal nut beneath the bowl while you turn the bolt head from above with a screwdriver. Counter-holding prevents the nut from spinning. Once the nut is loose, use the wrench to unthread it fully and slide the bolt out. Repeat on both sides. If hardware is corroded, spray penetrating oil and let it soak. Tapping gently breaks corrosion bonds. Remove any washers and lift the seat straight up to avoid catching hinges on the rim. You finish by lifting the entire seat and hinge assembly straight up and away from the bowl. Do not twist, which can crack porcelain. Inspect the threaded inserts and replace stripped bolts or damaged nylon nuts before installing a new seat, because worn threads cause loose fittings. If a bolt stuck despite oil, apply heat with a hair dryer for 10 to 20 seconds, then retry. Make sure to protect surrounding finishes and wear gloves for safety. That solves most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.